We're at gotomath.com working some calculus, excuse me, and rules of differentiation is what we're looking at, and we're in this section right here. Alright, let's see if I can remember this. Negative is, okay, I'll try to remember that. See if I can remember that. Y is equal to, y is equal to, that was negative 8 x to the 15th times x to the 8th plus 14 raised to the 9th power, I believe, if I remember right. Okay, so we're going to be using the product rule. That's what this section is really all about. And so I'm going to write y prime right here. So the product rule says we're going to take the derivative of this first part first. Okay, take the derivative of this first. We could take this negative completely out of the equation here if we wanted to, and that's a possibility, but I guess I'll just leave it in. Alright, so let's take the derivative of this first. We take the 15, bring it out front. Now I'm just going to keep that negative right out front. Times 8 times x, subtracting 1 from the exponent, and it gives us a 14 there. And then we rewrite the second part, x to the 8 plus 14 raised to the 9th power. Now what we're going to do is we say plus, okay, this is product rule, say plus, and then rewrite the first function here. But since there's a minus here, if I wrote a plus and then a minus, that would just cancel out and become a minus. So I'm going to go ahead and say minus, okay, and the reason is because of this guy here, right? Rewriting x to the 15th times, now we're going to take the derivative of the second function. So I take the 9 and I bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, plus 14, subtract 1 from the exponent, so that gives us an 8, right? And then we take the derivative of the inside here, bring it out. So the derivative of x to the 8 is 8x to the 7th, right? That's the power rule. And then derivative of the constant is 0. So essentially we're done, other than simplifying this thing completely down. All right, and maybe I should let you work on that. We can definitely multiply 15 times 8, right? And we could multiply 8 times 9 times 8 and get that, and we got x to the 15th and x to the 7th. We can join those together to become x to the 22nd. Okay. Anyway, let's see what what is all that? Alright, so I've written up some script here that does all that, and hopefully you can match up with what I got, and hopefully that should be correct. However, if there's an issue where you're 100% certain that this is not correct, make sure that you go up to contact us here in the contact form and fill out some details like this section we're on and this is where I got the problem, and maybe try to type that out or something, and I'll definitely look at it. But I've gone over and over on these problems and checked them, and they are correct, but there's liable to be some kind of little typo in the scripting. Never know. Alright, well, good luck. Practice, practice, practice. Click, click, click. I think I'm moving to that section next. Alright, good luck.